What's good, folks? This is Living Ishay with Living Ishay Live, and this review is on PACT Clothing Company. Now, PACT Clothing Company is a 100% sustainability certified company. That means they use only organic materials such as 100% organic cotton. The dyes are natural, so they don't have any toxins or anything bad for you that you're wearing on your body. You want to start wearing clothes that are not toxic because what's on you can get inside you. So anyway, I ordered 3 pairs of pants from this company, and this is what the review is on. As you can see, the statement up here, sustainability at every step. So that means that they only use organic cotton. They don't even use spandex. They use elastine, which is a alternative to using synthetic spandex. They're also fair trade certified, and they also have a global organic textile standard certification. And this company really cares about their carbon footprint on the earth, so they are carbon neutral, which means that their products support both people and the planet. First thing is in this is a gift. So let's see what the gift is. Let's see what this is. There's 3 of these bags here. There's a gray one, a white one, and a lavender. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I like that. I like that. Okay, so now let's try on what I actually ordered. Put these back. Got here. So first one. I can't remember what color I ordered. Oh yeah, this is dark color pants. See these? They have the elastic band on the waist. They have the drawstrings. Packed. These are the medium. Then at the bottom of the pant leg, you got the elastic. See? Pretty cool. I like these already. And the medium is kind of big because I'm kind of skinny. So I appreciate that. And we have, I can't remember what color these are. These are the light color, jean color, light jean color. Oh, and they're really thin and lightweight. I like this color too. I like it. It doesn't normally look good on me, but I mean, we'll see. there's a lot of I have a lot of things that can go with this. So these are lightweight. Once again, the elastic band on the at the end of the pants, the elastic waistband, the drawstring. There's no zipper. There's no fly. 4 pockets. Oh no, 3 pockets. 1 in the back, 2 on the sides. Yeah, because I think that's weird for men not to have pockets. Because we always have stuff to carry. And we're not carrying purses. So these are the... Okay, I can't... Chambray color? Or is that the type of pants it is? These are. Okay, so chambray is either the material or design. But anyway, they're the dark green color. So I got a pair of light, a pair of dark. Because these are, like, I'm getting rid of all my, like, traditional blue jeans. I'm just gonna wear these. So, and like, I travel a lot, so it's easy to pack to travel with and to wear in an airplane or in a car. And these are the khaki colored or tan. And all 3 of these colors will go with basically anything you own. Especially if you wear t-shirts. You can wear t-shirts, you can wear polo shirts, you can wear button-down shirts, patterns. I like to wear, well, this is a pattern, but this is old. I'm just lounging. But when I'm out in public, I'm starting to wear more solid colors instead of patterns. I'm not wearing too much patterns unless it's like cultural clothing. So yeah, these are good. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna keep these, and I'm really surprised at how much room these have for mediums. They're all the same. I ordered 3 of the same things, but just different colors, because now I can just, I can wear anything in my wardrobe with anything, just interchange it out. So after this, I'm going to try them on, and then we'll see how they fit. Now it's time for the try on. Okay, I'm gonna try these on. Okay, these are cool. Let me take this off. So I got these on. Let me move this out of the way. Move this out of the way. So yeah, here they are. These are nice, really roomy, and I have on shorts. I'm headed to the gym, but even with shorts on, with these on, they still fit pretty good, comfortable, lightweight. Yeah, I like these. These are cool. Yeah, these are good. Yeah, I'm gonna try on these. Put these on. These are kind of, like a blue jean or black. Okay, these are sort of a black material. These feel comfortable too. They seem a little more, no, they're not tight. They're just like the other ones. See? I like these. Yeah, these are gonna do it. These are gonna be my go-to pants, bottoms. Okay, now the khaki color or tan. cool. Let's try these on. Okay, these are a little snug. They're a little more snug, but since I won't be wearing shorts under these at all, but these actually fit. So these fit a little snug. Could be the material, because this material is a little different than what feels like denim. It's cotton, but it's made like denim. But these are, I'd rather for these to fit more snug, but anyway, because the other two are kind of they're really roomy, and these still have a lot of room. I mean, they're not skin tight, and I don't know. I might, well, I do have like my workout shorts, and under those are tights. So I got like 3 layers on right here. But these still look good. These are really presentable. Like you may even be able to wear this to work, you know, on casual days or something. So I'm very happy with this product. So if you're looking for something, you know, you're looking to update your wardrobe with some casual, with some sustainable fabrics, some natural fibers, with natural dyes, no chemicals. It's good for the environment, biodegradable, you know, easy to wash, easy to take care of. Hey, I say you go grab some from PACT. All right, that is it for the review. All right, cool.